Struggling to put on a few extra pounds? Nature offers a solution. Fenugreek, renowned for its appetite-stimulating properties, can assist in weight gain. Next, ashwagandha, an ancient herb, helps in muscle development and recovery. Don't overlook the humble dandelion, a surprising weight gain ally, stimulating digestion and appetite. Lastly, chamomile, a soothing herb, aids in better sleep, crucial for weight gain. Remember, these herbs are aids, not magic bullets. Combine them with a balanced diet and exercise for best results.